Upload a black image. Type your desired text. Choose the font you want and save to your gallery. Upload a black image again. Reduce the opacity to 0. Go to background, choose color, then play around with your color however you want. Settle for the one you want. Then go to sticker. Choose any of the working sticker. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Drag the sticker to the ending and add another keyframe. Overlay that thing you saved earlier. Select splice and choose filter. Look for mask, choose horizontal, then adjust it like this and drag it to the beginning. Good. Add keyframe at both ends of the sticker, the beginning and the ending, then drag that mask to the ending. If you did that correctly, you should have this. Follow for more.